Hello everybody, this is a quick tutorial on our next activity and our next project, which is to create a Google slideshow or Google slide presentation, which it will be titled All About Me. This presentation is to introduce yourself, and you can be as creative as possible, making sure that you are not using any offensive material, as this will be part of your class portfolio. Your presentation is required to have a number of 6 different slides, each one containing the information that is listed on this document. The first slide is worth 5 points. You would have your name, your grade, and your period on there. The second slide should contain a title at the top of the slide with the title of hobbies. You will then explain under each hobby why you enjoy the hobby. Make sure that you're doing this underneath the 3 pictures that you are going to display, and make sure you list the 3 hobbies that you enjoy. On the third slide, you are going to title it, "What do I want to learn about engineering?" For 8th grade, if engineering is your class. If you are manufacturing, then you would say, "What do I want to learn about manufacturing for 8th grade?" And then you're going to answer the question. You can answer using 1 sentence. However, if you want to push yourself and do more, you already know what the requirements are for this class. On the 4th slide, you're going to title it Engineering if you are an engineering student. But if you are a manufacturing student, then you would write the word manufacturing, and you are going to define the word, and you're going to make sure that you write what that word means in regards to whether it's engineering or manufacturing, the class that you are in. On the 5th slide, you are going to title it the engineering design process, and you will find a photo and provide a definition of what the engineering design process is. Finally, on the 6th slide, you will answer the essential question for your class, whether it's engineering or manufacturing. For example, if you are an engineering student, then your essential question would be, why is engineering important, and how has past engineering accomplishments influenced today's designs? Answer the questions and make sure that your slide is completed. Once completed, please upload your assignment to Canvas, and these are the instructions for the All About Me project. I hope you have a great day, and please let me know if you have any questions.